Hi, hello, and welcome to Vasuki Talks. Hope you all are doing well. And we are doing a series on incarnation of Narasimha Murthy. And in the last episode, we saw that even after devising many ways to kill his little son Prahalada, it all went in vain. In this episode, we will see what happened to Hiranyakashipu. The demon, after losing his brother as well as sister, really became frustrated, and in a fit of rage, he summoned his son to the courtroom and roared at him and asked him to stop chanting Om Namo Narayanaya, as he was their worst enemy. He challenged his little son to show whether his Narayana exists in a blade of grass in rust, and asked him to show whether his Narayana exists in the pillar of the courtroom. Little Prahalada kept a serene face, folded its hands, and replied to his father that definitely his Narayana exists in the pillar. This answer frustrated him, and in a fit of rage, he heavily kicked at the pillar. The pillar didn't break, but rather exploded. And from the pillar came the fourth incarnation of Mahavishnu, who is a combination of man and beast. Narasimha, combination of man and lion. He roared so horribly that his roars resonated in all the directions of the universe, and the gods in the heaven trembled, and they assembled there to look at what was happening at Asura Loka. Narasimha Murthy, in a fiery form, walked towards Hiranyakashipu, carried him in his hands, and he went to the threshold of the palace, sat there, and laid the demon across his lap. And with his sharp fingernails, he tore open the stomach of the demon, drank the blood, and wore his intestine as garland. And thus the demon was slain, and at that time it was neither day nor night. It was a twilight time. Thus Narasimha Murthy, in true letter and spirit, honored all the boons that was bestowed by Brahma. Once the demon was killed, out of joy, all the gods showered flowers from heaven upon Narasimha Murthy, and they cried, Aho Viryam, Aho Shauryam, Aho Bahu Parakramam, Narasimham Paramam Devam, Aho Balam, Aho Bilam. And thus the place got the name Aho Bilam. In Sanskrit, Bilam is cave. The pillar from which Narasimha Murthy emerged had caved in, and it looked like a huge cave. And thus Narasimha Murthy's hands were smeared with blood and flesh of the demon, and he washed it in a nearby stream. And even today it is there, and the name of that stream is called Rakta Kunda, where the water even appears a reddish in color. And the pillar from which Narasimha Murthy emerged is called the Ugra Stamba, that can be seen in the Ahobila. Ahobilam is also known as Garudadri, because it is at this point Garuda did a penance so as to get the vision of Mahavishnu as Narasimha Murthy, as advised by his father Kashyapa. Mahavishnu was pleased with the penance and gave him the vision as Narasimha Murthy. And thus Garuda requested that let that name, the place be known in his name, and hence it is called Garudadri. And in the Ahobilam, there are 9 forms of Narasimha, and 9 temples are dedicated to him, which is known as the Nava Narasimha Kshetra. In the coming episode, we will see about the temples of Ahobilam. A very happy Narasimha Jayanti to all of you. Om Namo Narayanaya.